How to show all notifications but hide content. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to show all notifications but hide content. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile, scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Now click on customize and click on the last option, which is on the lock screen, and choose the second option, which is show all notifications but hide content, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.